Hello everyone, I'm so glad you're here with me today. I'm your host Tony, and we're going to embark on a journey of self-discovery and improvement. Over the past decade, I've learned some invaluable lessons about personal growth, and today, I want to share these insights with you. Lesson 1. The power of identity. Shifting. First off, let's talk about identity shifting. It's a powerful concept that has the potential to change your life. You see, we all have an image of ourselves in our minds, a perception of who we are. But what if we could shift that image, that identity, to align with who we want to be? Imagine the possibilities. Lesson 2. Embrace change. The second lesson I've learned is to embrace change. Change is inevitable, but it's also a catalyst for growth. It might be uncomfortable at first, but once we learn to accept and adapt to change, we become more resilient and capable of achieving our goals. Lesson 3. The importance of consistency. The third lesson is about consistency. Consistency is key in any self-improvement journey. It's not about making huge leaps, but rather about taking small, consistent steps towards your goals. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Lesson 4. The value of self-reflection. The fourth lesson is the value of self-reflection. Taking the time to reflect on our actions, thoughts, and feelings is crucial. It helps us understand ourselves better, learn from our mistakes, and make more informed decisions in the future. Lesson 5. The power of positivity. And finally, the fifth lesson is about the power of positivity. Maintaining a positive mindset can be a game changer. It's not about ignoring the negative, but rather about focusing on the positive and using it to propel ourselves forward. And there you have it, 5 lessons from a decade of self-improvement. I hope these insights inspire you on your own journey of personal growth. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. So, take your time, be patient with yourself, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep improving.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.